3/4 is a project car. Let me take you around it and show you what it needs. On the rear quarter panel here, it's had a previous repair on. Probably needs redoing now. You can see some of the trims inside this. This door's not too bad. It's had it's also had a repair done here to the wing. That isn't the best. It does need redoing or replacing the wing. Coming round to the front, I have taken the front bumper off and the grille. That does need some paintwork doing on it. A lot at the moment is just paint blistering. As you can see here on the edge of the bonnet, some blistering there done on the paint, and also on the A-pillar we have some lack appeal here. So it does need a little bit of TLC, a bit of paintwork, nothing too major that I've found up to now. And pretty much the same down this side as well. And this quarter panel, this wheel arch is a little bit worse. It's got some bubble in there and also some bubble in there. A common fault on the Volkswagen Golfs is the sills. The sills do suffer from rust and corrosion. Now, it's had a questionable repair done in the past, so this will need attention and putting right. As you can see, it's had the rear wiper removed from it. I do have a new rear wiper to put in and the motor to put it back to OEM, and also on the driver's side, the sill is exactly the same as well. As you can see there, it has actually started corroding quite bad again, so that will need attention and obviously putting right as well. The car has been lowered just a little bit too low, makes the ride a little bit uncomfortable, so I'm going to raise it a couple of mil. It's the 2.8 VR6. Engine bay's not too bad, it needs a little bit of tidying up. It's got a cold air intake on it. The engine does run really well. It's got one oil leak on it that's going to need a little bit more investigating to see where that's coming from. So just on the interior, it is the Highline, so you do get full leather interior. It is also heated. It does come with electric sunroof as well. Everything does work on the interior. It also comes with air conditioning. One of the common faults on an older car is the roof lining. It has started to sag, so it does need replacing. I will look to put this to black rather than back to this grey. It does have an upgraded exhaust on it as well. I believe it is a Mk3 exhaust. The engine does sound really nice. It runs smooth. 183,000 miles. Like I say, it has been well looked after. It has got a good service history with it.